Hello, this is James P from Production Expert, and today we are looking at unmixed drums from Zynaptiq. Oh, where are they gone? I've unmixed them. So, what does unmixed drums do? Well, as I just kind of demonstrated there, you can remove drums from a mix. You can also bring them out in a mix as well. So sometimes drums might be a little bit quiet in a mix. And there we go. Really pronouncing the drums. So that's kind of what you would traditionally think of using unmixed drums for. But what you can do is you can also use it on elements of the track, say the bass and the drums, to pronounce or bring back or to kind of shape the elements as well. What do I mean by this? Well, let's just look at the drum bus here. Okay. Let's load this up. Let's turn it on. Okay, so as you can see, it's all the way up. Now, here I'm removing the transients. And here, I'm really pronouncing them. You can alter the release of it as well. Gives it more of a stretched out, spacious sound. But if you noticed, there's quite a lot of sub in the initial sample. So let's bring this back up. Okay, now what we need is a little bit of low end adding back in again. So we can use this bass synth here. Ooh, lots of bass there. Too much. Let's bring it back. You got detection density, threshold, max cut. You got the attack and unmixed feather. And that sounds alright. Let's see before and after. Before. Sounds a bit more lively, doesn't it? Okay, so that's what you can do on the drums, for example. Let's see what it sounds like on the bass here. That's it before. That's it bypassed. Okay, so let's add a little bit more life into this bass sound. You can hear it add more space there. Okay, let's add in some sub or a little bit of weight. Can you hear that? Too much. Let's bring it back a bit. Okay, now let's see what that sounds like in the mix. Hear me now. Okay, so it might be a little bit too much on that kick there. There we go. They're not fighting for the same frequency now. And that is unmixed drums from Zynaptiq. You can use it on the stereo bus to remove the drums or to bring the drums out in a mix, or you can use it on individual elements, such as the drums or bass, to shape the transients of the individual elements. If you want to find out more, then head over to Production Expert